Hi friends, welcome to Chandu's World. Today's topic, lockdown in India. A lockdown is an emergency protocol that prevents people from leaving a given area. A full lockdown will mean you must stay where you are and not exit or enter a building from the given area. Lockdown allows only for essential supplies. All non-essential activities remains shut for the entire period. COVID-19 is highly transmittable and can evade the immune system for longer and therefore spreads quickly even without the infected being visibly sick. The virus is able to penetrate deeper into the lower airways. As per the Disaster Management Act, the central government has included the COVID-19 outbreak as notified disaster as a pandemic situation. As the COVID-19 cases climb, on 24th March 2020, Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced in his address to the nation that the entire country would be in a complete lockdown for 21 days to check the spread of coronavirus. The method of lockdown is ban on people from stepping out of their homes. All services and shops closed except pharmacies, hospitals, banks, grocery shops, etc. Closure of commercial and private establishments. Suspension of all educational training, research institutions and sports activities. Closure of all places of religious institutions. Suspension of all non-essential public and private transport. As the end of the first lockdown period approached, Prime Minister Narendra Modi extended the nationwide lockdown until 3rd May 2020. On 1st May 2020, the Government of India extended the lockdown until 17th May 2020, and all the districts divided into 3 zones based on the spread of COVID-19: green, orange and red, with relaxations applied accordingly. On 17th May 2020, the lockdown was further extended till 31st May. On 30th May 2020, it was announced that the ongoing lockdown would be further extended till 30th June in containment zones, with services resuming in a phased manner starting from 8th June 2020. Lockdown affects the economy of the world. With factories and workplace shutdowns, millions of daily wage earners and other migrant workers had to deal with loss of income, food shortages, and uncertainty about their future. Most major cities in the country have ordered private companies to let employees work from home. The central and state governments have announced relief packages for daily wage earners and other temporary workers. Rivers have become cleaner as industries are closed due to lockdown. The quality of air has significantly improved during lockdown. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.